Welcome to this new video. Today, I am going to teach you how to create a QR code for your Wi-Fi that does not require entering the password. This is useful if you want to print it out or save it on your phone in case you have guests at your home or somewhere else with a Wi-Fi network and you want anyone to access it more quickly. To do this, simply go to the link that is here. This link is in the video description and will take you to the following page. On this page, you need to click on the button that says click here. Clicking there will load this new web page. On this new web page, we have many options, but this one is focused on Wi-Fi. However, keep in mind that you can also create a QR code for a link or a URL, a link to a web page, for a text message, for a phone number to be saved on a mobile device, for an email, an automatic text, a vCard, which is basically contact information for a person, geolocation, or simply information about an event you may have. But in this case, for this video, what we are going to do is go to where it says Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, this is something quite quick. Simply in the network name or SID, we put exactly the name of our Wi-Fi network. If it is in uppercase, put it in upper. If it is in lowercase, put it in lower. The same goes for the password part. If it is in lowercase, we put it in lowercase. If it is in uppercase, we put it in uppercase. And here in the type of security, we would need to investigate what type of security our Wi-Fi network has. This appears in the phone's information. If you want, you can go to the network settings, connect to your Wi-Fi, and there it will show what type of security your Wi-Fi has, whether it is WP or WPA. In this case, I simply leave it on WP. You can put anything here as an example. So let's say the network is called UNTI, and the password is this one, SuperCX. Here, in size, you can choose whether you want it to be large or small. Honestly, this doesn't matter. You can set it to whatever you want. And in this scenario, I will set it to very large. The redundancy, as we read here, is a factor that allows the QR to be read even if it is damaged. In other words, the greater the redundancy, the better. Therefore, what can we do? For instance, you might consider other options. In case we print the QR code on a sheet or a page, if this code gets wet or the sheet simply gets cut, torn, or something happens, if we have it in good redundancy, we will still be able to scan it. So we leave it in the middle, click here on My Grantee, and then click to generate the QR code. Here we wait, and as you can see, this QR code has already been generated. So we can simply right-click, open the image in a new tab, and as you can see here, the QR code has already been generated. We can download it or print it as I mentioned, and every time a person does this, they will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network we have chosen and the data we previously entered on the page I showed you, which are the same as these down here. And basically, that would be all. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. See you, bye-bye.